Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make this scrunchie. You can use it for your hair buns. It will look like that when you use it. I think it looks so nice, it's so soft. You can make it for your child. She will like it. And for this you will need a hairband. I hope it's hairband, because sometimes it's so hard to find some words, because in Turkey it's all same. That's toka and that's toka, and even this hair clips, hair pins, they are toka. It's all toka. And you have different names for all of them. You will need an elastic band like that, and you will need a velvet yarn. I will use this one, basket yarns. It's acrylic. There is no size. I think it's 5 chunky yarn. I think you can use any size velvet yarn for this project. And I will use an H crochet hook 5mm. That's all. And it will take so less yarn, so you can make a lot of with the 100 grams of yarn, and you can give them as a gift easily. I hope you like this. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's start. At first, I will start with a slip knot. And join here with a single crochet. Just lose your loop as you want. You can use something like that, or you can measure all of them, but it's not too important. It could be this loop could be different size. It looks good either way. Okay, I will use this one right now. It's 6 inches long. Leave this one. Okay, it will curl like that. Insert here. Just wait a minute. Okay. Leave here a little loosey. Okay. Insert your hook here. Grab this yarn. Make a slip stitch. And leave this loop. I am measuring it like that, and leave it. Insert your hook here. Grab this one. Yarn over and pull through. You can make it like that too. That's enough for me. I will leave it. I will make it one more time. That's enough, and leave it. It's all we will do here. insert your hook here, grab this yarn, pull through and leave it. We will make the same thing as we want. As you see, some of them is longer, some of them is shorter, but it's not so necessary. And tighten up a little here. If you want, you can make less fringes here, but I think with more fringes it looks more beautiful. And just keep making like that. Turn around this band, and when you reach here, I'll see you. Just sit. Sit, 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 sit. What are you doing here? It's load time. Okay. I completed. I will show you like that. I made the sorry, I will be back in 5 seconds. Okay. Of course, there's some cat hairs. Insert here, grab the yarn over and pull through. Okay. Insert into this first stitch, grab the yarn, make a slip stitch. No, it's not good. I'll make it one more time. Yes. Then cut this yarn. And that's it. I hope you like these tutorials. It looks beautiful on Mishwik. Isn't it? Yes, it fits him. If you like, please don't forget to push the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Fringes Crochet is my Instagram address. You can reach me there. And it's also my website and Pinterest address too. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day.